Discovered PIA files in your Photoshop Album folder taking up space? These are thumbnail caches that speed up image browsing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Adobe Photoshop Album thumbnail cache files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn PIA files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A PIA file is a catalog or thumbnail cache created by Adobe Photoshop Album or early versions of Photoshop Elements. It stores low-resolution previews of images in a user's collection, allowing the software to display galleries quickly without loading the full-resolution source files, significantly improving performance. The format is a proprietary binary database designed by Adobe for performance optimization. It aggregates small image previews and metadata into a single file, reducing disk I/O operations. This structure allows the application to rapidly render large photo libraries, a critical feature for managing extensive digital asset collections. The PIA format is inextricably linked to the application Adobe Photoshop Elements from Adobe Systems Incorporated. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows cannot display metadata references, so specialized apps are needed to understand the file. To force file access, right-click your PIA file and select Open With. If Adobe Photoshop Elements is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your PIA file still refuses to open, stay calm. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the PIA file begins. First, opening in Photoshop Album. Photoshop Album was discontinued and replaced by Adobe Photoshop Elements Organizer. Install Photoshop Elements, which can import Photoshop Album catalogs. Launch Elements Organizer and use File. Then get Photos and Videos. Then from Files and Folders to import the catalog with associated PIA cache files automatically processed. Next, regenerating cache. If PIA files are corrupted or missing, simply delete them and reopen the album in your photo organizer. The application detects missing cache files and regenerates fresh PIA files by rereading source images and creating new thumbnails. This process takes time proportional to the number and size of images in the catalog. Finally, safe deletion. PIA files are safe to delete as they contain only cached thumbnail data, not original photos. Removing them frees disk space and forces thumbnail regeneration. If you no longer use Photoshop Album, you can delete all PIA files without affecting your actual photos, which remain stored in their original image format files separately. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.